I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Loan. First, navigate to the Loans section on the Binance platform. Here, you'll find various cryptocurrencies you can borrow and use as collateral. Binance offers competitive interest rates and flexible terms, making it a great option for accessing liquidity without selling your crypto. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use. To apply, simply choose the cryptocurrency you wish to borrow and the amount. Then, select the asset you'll use as collateral. The system will automatically display the loan-to-value ratio, interest rate, and repayment period. Always review these details carefully before confirming. This ensures you understand all aspects of your loan agreement. Once your loan is active, it's crucial to monitor your loan-to-value ratio. If the market fluctuates significantly, you might need to add more collateral to avoid liquidation. Binance provides clear alerts and options for managing your loan, including early repayment or extending the term. Staying informed helps you maintain control. Repaying your loan is just as simple. You can repay the principal and interest at any time before the due date using the specified cryptocurrency. Once repaid, your collateral is released back to you. Binance makes the entire process transparent and user-friendly, allowing you to manage your crypto assets effectively for various financial needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.